How to fix Snapchat memory storage problem. Now, Snapchat has had a new version where the memories in your Snapchat will now have a storage limit. So before anything, if you're getting close to the 5 GB limit, you'll also see a low storage banner alert when you view your memories in the Snapchat app. So you're gonna have to note that memory storage plans are a new feature and are not available to everyone yet. And if you aren't seeing your current usage under your memories in your settings menu, then your memories will continue to be stored as they are today until the new options roll out to you. Now, this is official information from Snapchat, but anyways, if you want to see how much memory storage you are using, you can just go ahead and tap the gear icon in your profile to open settings, scroll down to my app, and then tap on your memories, then check under cloud storage if the option is available for you. If you want to upgrade your Snapchat memory storage, open memories and look for the upgrade storage banner, or try to save a snap when you're over the limit. Tap upgrade storage to see your plan and pricing options, and then pick a plan and follow the prompts. And of course, if you don't have the option yet, all you have to do is just free up your storage in your actual device, and you should be able to get more memories in your Snapchat. But hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.